Hi, I'm Ron with Pacific Permaculture. I got busy with work and I just remembered about the tangerine seeds I'd put, and I found them.
Open this up. It's a little bit of a son of a gun trying to do this with one hand until I get a good tripod. Anyhow, let's see what we got. I left these at room temp. The wet towel method inside our living room here and by the kitchen, and it feels like, just by feel, it feels like they sprouted in there. There's little sproutlings going on here, so let's see what we got. My word, there is some sprouted seeds here. I don't know if they're going to make it into tree, but at least at this point, they are sprouted out of the seed. Okay, so what I did is I came in the refrigerator the other day and I found these seeds. I didn't mark them. I believe they're apricot seeds. And they're in another, I put another wet paper towel around them, but they were dry and they had sprouted some root. So I'm going to take them to a place where I could put them in some dirt along with these tangerine seeds. So I've got here my little jar of, I believe, apricot seeds. And I've got my seedling mandarin seedling. And I also have these plant tags. The other thing I have is some number 2 pencils. Use number 2 pencils on these tags. So these apricots are a good example of, you need to keep good records to know what's going on. I probably thought I'd have time some other time to write down what it was and when and all this, and there's never going to be the perfect time. So when you're doing it, do it right. Note down everything you can, at least on the jar, right? What it is, what date. So moving forward, I'll write down the date, at least on the plant tag, that I put these in this bucket with the soil. And so we got 6 here, so for recording purposes, I'm going to write this on the back of the tag. 6 pieces. So yeah, as everybody could see, there's probably 50 or 60 of these. So I'm going to pick out the best looking ones and try to pot them up, see what happens. I'm amazed at how many of these propagated. No care whatsoever. I didn't pay attention what the temperature was inside. It's generally warmer where I live, but there wasn't like I did baby it at all. Not in the least. Not going to spend days and days putting all this stuff in pots, so it looks like that's about how much I'm going to get. We'll see how many actual little seedling trees come out of this, but yeah, pot's about full, maybe 1 or 2 more, and we'll call it a day. Water it and call it good. So yeah, I think that's about all I'm going to try to stuff in here and make my tag.